Hi, I introduce myself. My name is Abhiray Chaudhary. I am studying BTech first year at JNTU Anandapur. My branch is Computer Science and Engineering. Coming to my topic is about bubble sorting. First of all, what is sorting? The definition of sorting is a process of ordering individual elements of a list according to their rank, either in ascending or descending order. Here is the small example of sorting. Ascending order sorting. Arranging numbers from small to big. Descending order sorting. Arranging numbers from big to small. Bubble sort. It is also known as sinking sort. This algorithm compares each pair of adjacent items and swap them if they are in wrong order. Same process goes on until no swaps are needed. I used C language to perform bubble sort in this video. Working of bubble sort. Starting from the first index, compare the first and the second element. If the first element is greater than the second element, swap them. Now, compare the second and third element. Swap them if they are not in order, either ascending or descending, whatever you want. This process goes on until the last element. The same iteration goes on for the remaining iterations. After each iteration, the largest element among the unsorted elements is placed at the end. In each iteration, the comparison takes place up to the last unsorted element. The array is sorted when all the unsorted elements are placed at their correct position. This is working of bubble sort. Algorithm for bubble sort. Algorithm. It is step-by-step procedure. It has a set of instructions. This algorithm is used for sort in ascending order. Program for bubble sort. This code is written in C language to sort array in ascending order. It is used to perform bubble sort. The previous program follows these steps. Starting from I equal to 0, it compares adjacent element. Starting from the first index, compare the first and second elements. If the first element is greater than the second element, swap them. Now, compare second and third. If they are not in order, again swap them. The process goes on until the last element. The same process goes on for the remaining iteration, means other steps. After each iteration, the largest element among the unsorted element is placed at the end. The array is sorted when all the unsorted elements are placed at their current position. These are steps included in bubble sorting. Time complexity. Time complexity of an algorithm signifies the total time required by the program to run till its completion. It is most commonly expressed using the big O notation. We usually use the worst case time complexity of an algorithm. Bubble sort is one of the simplest sorting algorithms. Two loops are implemented in this algorithm. We can analyze the complexity by simply observing the number of loops. There are three types of time complexities: worst case complexity, best case complexity, average case complexity. In general, by simply observing the number of loops, we can analyze the time complexity. We are also analyzing the time complexity by observing the number of loops. Starting from I equal to 1, we have number of comparisons n minus 1. For 2, the number of comparisons is n minus 2. For 3, the number of comparisons is n minus 3. For the last element, the number of comparisons is 1. From that, we are adding the number of comparisons n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3 up to so on 1. That equals to n into n minus 1 by 2. It is nearly equal to n square. We are removing constants. So the time complexity for bubble sort is O of n square. Worst case complexity. If we want to sort in ascending order and the array is in descending order, then the worst case occurs. The time complexity for worst case is O of n square. Best case complexity. If the array is already sorted, then there is no need for sorting. This case is the best case complexity. The time complexity for the best case complexity is O of n. Average case complexity. It occurs when the elements of the array are in jumbled order, means neither ascending or descending. The time complexity for average case complexity is O of n square.